I heard like a tuck, 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 and I was like, oh fuck, there's a noise. That's the noise he's talking about. Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So check it out. Today is the day that we do the giveaway. Alright, so if you guys don't know about the giveaway, go back one video and watch that video, because I'm doing giveaways every Tuesday for the rest of the year. Now, as you know, there's only 2 Tuesdays left, so get in on it. If you're new here, subscribe. Boom, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. Boom, that bell. And wait for new videos, because we got 2 more giveaways to the end of the year. Alright, so look, today's video is going to be about this Chevy TrailBlazer right behind me. And I just picked this truck up. Now, when I bought it, the guy that sold it to me, he said, look, this car is making a noise. There's a noise under the hood. You got to figure it out. And he says, I don't want you to think that I'm selling you a lemon or anything like that, but it does make noise. So I started the truck up, no noise. And he stood there by me and he was like, what the f? No noise. Started again, no noise. Started again, no noise. And he goes, look, this TrailBlazer is making a noise. He said, I don't want any problems. Once you take the truck is yours. I don't want you to come back and tell me, hey, this is making a noise. You sold me a crappy car. No. I said, look, if the car makes noise when I take it, I'll fix it. That's why I'm here, okay? So look, picked it up, gave him the cash, brought it back. Now we're here in my garage. Picked up the TrailBlazer. I stopped at a gas station on the way back. Stopped at a gas station, and lo and behold, the truck starts going clack, 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 clack. Starts making a ticking noise. I'm like, oh, there's the noise that he's talking about. So I listen closely, and it's like a ticking, but it does it mostly at idle. It has nothing to do with temperature. It's not when it's cold. It's not when it's hot. It's not under load. It's just a ticking noise, random ticking noise. So I said, you know what? There's probably something up with the engine. If worst comes to worst, I'll drop an engine in this truck. All right, but that's not what we're going to do here today. What we're actually going to do here today is we're going to try a quick fix. But first, we got to listen to the noise. So let's go under the hood and listen to this noise. I'm going to start it up, and hopefully it does it, because this is what we're trying to fix. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me over the truck, but the truck is not making... There it is. That's the noise. It's like a knocking sound. You guys hear that? That's the noise that we're trying to fix. Now, I know that this has possible internal engine damage, but what we're gonna try today, and you guys hear that? Pick it up, listen to it. Alright, let me turn it off. Alright, so as you guys can see, the noise happens mostly at idle. I think it's about 650 to 700 RPM, and then once I give it some gas, the noise doesn't happen. At least I don't hear it inside. So I'm gonna have to review this. But one thing I did notice too is when I was driving it yesterday, when I brought it home, I noticed that the oil pressure came a little bit close to 0. So obviously this truck has some mechanical issues, and I know it's gonna need some work. But what we're gonna try today in today's video is we're gonna try to do a quick fix. Now, oil pressure. When a truck has low oil pressure, it is not the oil pump. Guys, don't go after the oil pump. The oil pump is not in charge of building pressure. The oil pump just pumps. Alright, it just pumps through the system. That's all it does. It takes oil and it pumps it. What the oil pressure, where it comes from, is from the main bearings. It comes from the clearances in all the mechanical parts inside the engine. And low clearances, it's kind of like when you pinch the edge of a hose. Once you pinch the edge of the hose, you know, the pressure, it has high pressure into low pressure, or low pressure into high pressure. That's what happens with the engine oil. So what we're going to try today is we're going to try this product that I just picked up. This is called Duralube, and it's an engine treatment. We're gonna be doing an oil change, and we're gonna be trying this product called Duralube. I just picked it up. We're gonna change the oil, we're gonna change the filter, and we're gonna drop this in there, and we're gonna see if we can get rid of this knocking noise. Alright, so let's go under the car and change the oil, change the filter, and then we'll drop this in there. Boom. Alright guys, so down here under the car, we actually have a cover that we gotta remove right here. Now, there is 210s to remove that small cover, but I'm actually gonna remove the entire cover. And we can just swing it out of the way. 13mm socket for the drain plug. Out of the way. Alright, new filter is in. Alright guys, drain the oil, change the filter, put a new one on there. Now all I gotta do is top it off with oil, and we're gonna be adding this Duralube additive in there. Hopefully it works, hopefully it helps out with the noise. We'll see. I know there's no such thing as a quick fix. I'm not expecting this to be fixed forever. I don't expect a permanent fix. I understand that, but we're trying to get this thing quieter, right? Now we gotta top it off with oil. What I'm gonna be using is my Motive X funnel that came with this master kit that they just sent me over. So a huge shout out to Motive X Tools right there. Boom, Motive X Tools just hooked me up with this master like 16-piece kit. And now the cool thing about this is if you look at this cap on the bottom, this adapter on the bottom is the same thing as the cap. You see that? So this is made specifically for these Chevy engines. We're gonna have no spills, and there's gonna be no holding the funnel. There's gonna be none of that. All I gotta do is take my funnel and screw it onto the engine. Beautiful, huh? Alright, so I'm gonna start off by putting the additive in there. Duralube immediately helps the engine run cooler and quieter, formulated to treat the engine, not just the oil. Alright, so this, I guess I use it in racing or whatnot, but all we care about is the engine gonna be quieter? Is it gonna be better than before? Yeah, so look at this. Hey, I was expecting something really thick to come out of there, like some Lucas or something, or that STP oil treatment. This is actually, this looks like 520 oil or something. Boom, see that? No spills, homies, no spills. Get yourself some Motive X funnels. Link in the description. What is this? Hamburger in my hand. Well, I was expecting a very thick oil to come out of here. Something like 2050 motor oil. But this is not as thick as I expected it to be. So hopefully this helps us out with the engine noise. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Now I'm just gonna top it off with this motor oil 5W30. Look at this. No spills, homies. No spills. This thing is beautiful. You get a little window so you can see it. Man, I love Motive X Tools, guys. Link in the description so you guys can go pick yourself up some funnels. Discount code HOMIE for 10% off your entire order at checkout. Mira, beautiful. And you can leave that right there to drain. You can leave it to drain. Just look at this. This thing is a beauty. Alright guys, we're gonna let this finish off, and then we're gonna start the truck up, and we're gonna see if it's quieter. I honestly expected something like really thick to come out of there, like some 2050 or some 3060 engine oil, if that's even a thing, you know, that thick Lucas honey-like oil to come out of the bottle, because as you guys know, low oil pressure is caused by the clearances between the bearings, the clearances between parts. That's where that ticking noise comes in. That's why a lot of Hondas, if you notice, they have valve adjustments, because as time goes, the parts wear off, you know, the clearances start getting a little bit bigger, so then you have to readjust them and get rid of the noise. But on Chevys, you can't do that. So I'm about to start it up for the first time right here. Let's see. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Let this thing do its thing. We're gonna let the oil do its thing, circulate through the engine, and then we'll see what happens. I did say that the RPMs were kind of low when the engine was making noise. Right now it's close to 1,000, but the engine started making noise a little bit over the halfway mark, so about 650 to 700 RPM. So I'm gonna give it some time, let this thing warm up, and then we'll come back and listen for noise. You guys hear it? It's been running about what, 5-10 minutes? Look at this. See, that's what I'm talking about. The RPM is pretty low right here, about 600, 700 RPM, and I can hear the engine. If I rev it just a little bit, it quiets up, and I think that's all due to centrifugal force inside the engine, and it pulls the parts off to one side, so there's no like play inside. there's no knocking or rattling or tapping or anything happening like that inside the engine. So we might need a thick additive. I'm thinking I'm gonna try the STP to see if it helps. I mean, obviously I know we have an engine problem, I understand that. So comment down below, guys, should I drop an engine in it? Now if you guys listen to it, it sounds just like my Chevy Malibu used to sound. If you guys are OG subscribers, you guys know that I bought a Malibu to flip also. Same thing, and what fixed that Malibu was actually a piston. One of the pistons was bad. And that's what this sounds like to me. It sounds like, if you listen to the frequency of the tapping, it sounds like it's happening with the crank and not with the cam, if that makes sense to you guys. Or comment down below, what do you guys think it is? For those of you guys that are OG mechanics, those of you guys that have experience with engines, what do you guys think that is? I'll bring you guys under the hood. Let's go. That to me sounds like my Chevy Malibu used to sound, and it needed a piston. It needed an engine, but I was able to get a piston because I was working at the GM dealership. They had blocks laying around, so I just took one off and I swapped it, and it worked, and I sold it. That's what this sounds like to me. If I rev it up a little bit, it'll go away. What do you guys think that is? I think it's a rod knock. Something to do with the pistons. It's a lower end knocking noise. It's not an upper end. At least not to my knowledge. But there you have it. Didn't fix it. So this chingadera right here, it might be good as a preventative maintenance oil, but not to repair anything. I mean, you can't buy any oil out there and have it fix noise like this. It might get rid of it temporarily. It might get rid of it for a day or two. It might get rid of it for a month until you get rid of the car. But that noise that right there is engine mechanical problems. This engine needs to be fixed. Comment down below. Should I fix it? Should I tear this thing apart? Or should I just buy a new like crate engine, or buy a rebuilt engine, or take this out and have it rebuilt? What would you guys do? I just got this truck and I don't like this. I don't like it. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's go to the giveaway. Alright guys, look. I know I said the giveaway was going to be Thursday for this Astro pneumatic loose, but Thursday some things came up. Also, I didn't get the parts for the Dodge, so the Dodge is not getting fixed right now. So today is actually Saturday, December 21st, and today is actually going to be when we choose a winner for the giveaway for this Astro pneumatic light. So this let a couple more people into the giveaway, and we're going to find out who it is. So you want to open it up and show them again what they're going to win?
Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
And we're going to do this quick because my wife is going to leave right now. She's going to do some last minute Christmas shopping. How many of you guys are doing last minute Christmas shopping right now?
Me.
How many of you guys are procrastinators?
Me.
So here's the light. It's a pretty good light. Pretty damn good light. Astro pneumatic makes good lights. This is what you guys are going to win if you're chosen. Remember, this is going to be random. We don't pick the winners. We actually let randompicker.com pick the winner on the YouTube video. So remember, hashtag, how do you do it? Hashtag chingadera. Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag chingadera.
Hashtag chingadera. Hashtag.
Okay. Hashtag. Alright, so hashtag chingadera. We're gonna go on the laptop right now. We're gonna go to the website, and then we're gonna see who the winner is. We'll get this light sent out to you. Alright, so let's go over to the laptop and see
who's the winner. Who's the lucky one? Who's the one that gave Hector gift?
Homie Hector's.
The homie Hector. Yeah. Homie.
You guys like this sweater? Let me know if you guys like this sweater. Let me know if you want me to drop some merch. I'll be working on that. That's another thing. I've been working on some other things. That's why this giveaway was delayed until Saturday. So we gave you 3 extra days for the giveaway. So we're gonna go on the laptop right now and see quién se la ganó.
Who's the winner? Yeah.
Alright, so let's go to the laptop and
suerte a todos.
Good luck, people. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do here is go to YouTube random comment picker, and same thing as last time, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and paste the video here where you guys were supposed to leave hashtag chingadera. So let me put here in keyword filter. We're gonna put hashtag Where does it go? Here we go. Hashtag chingadera. Okay, like that. So chingadera, and you gotta make sure it's spelled correctly. So if you didn't spell it correctly, you're not in the giveaway. I spelled it right here for you guys. Hashtag chingadera, including the replies. So if you forgot to put it in your first comment and you replied on your own comment, we're gonna include that in there. We're gonna give you a chance to win. So we're gonna fetch this video. We're gonna see how many comments had hashtag chingadera, and there's 199 comments with the hashtag chingadera. So we're gonna pick the winner right now for today's giveaway, which was actually supposed to be Thursday, but today is a good day. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2,
3.
boom. Gerardo Benitez. Like always, very informative. Keep the videos coming. Hashtag chingadera right there. Gerardo Benitez. Gerardo Benitez, get at me on Instagram. Send me your address. Send me your info. Send me your social security number. I'm just kidding. Get at me on Instagram. Send me your info where you want this Astro pneumatic light shipped. And we're gonna go into you, homie. Here we go. Astro Pneumatic Tool Company. Astro 30 SL. This thing is like $40. So this is a good giveaway. Gerardo Benitez, get at me on Instagram. Boom! Congratulations to the homie Gerardo Benitez. Gerardo Benitez, get at me on Instagram. Mándame tu información. Let me know where you want this light shipped, and we'll get it going to you. Okay, so you just won this Astro Pneumatic 30 SL flexible, rechargeable, magnetic. This is a good light. This is a good light. If I keep doing giveaways, I'm gonna end up without any tools. Okay, so only 2 more giveaways left in the year. Next Tuesday, which is coming up, and then the Tuesday after that, which I believe is the last day of the year. So if you guys want to get in on these giveaways, subscribe, hit the little bell so that you're notified when I drop new videos, because I don't tell you when I'm gonna do a giveaway. I just do it. Sometimes I put it at the end of the video, and that makes it fair. If you watch the entire video, then you're in. That's why there's only 199 comments with the hashtag
Chingadera.
chingadera.
Hashtag chingadera.
Hashtag chingadera. So Gerardo Benitez, congrats to you.
Felicidades.
Get at me on Instagram. Send me your info, and the kids are coming. Bring the kids. Kids, get over here.
Logan.
Come here.
Logan.
So congrats to Gerardo Benitez. You won this perfect gift for the holidays. And my kid just ran away. Oh, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Oh, you want to come with daddy? Vente. Say congrats, Gerardo. Dile, peínate. This is Logan. You guys met Logan when he was born. If you guys are OG subscribers from back in the day, I took you guys to the hospital where he was born. ¿Verdad?
Yeah.
Back in June. He's now 6 months, so we are blessed. Happy holidays from our family to you guys. Gerardo Benitez, Feliz Navidad. Get at me. I think we're gonna end it here.
Y si eres nuevo, no te se olvide a poner la campanita de notificaciones. La campanita de notificaciones te avisa cuando él pone un nuevo video. Y bueno, pues, y gracias a todos por suscribirse. Feliz Navidad, feliz Año Nuevo, a comer, a engordar, porque realmente para estas Navidades, ¿quién no se engorda unas libritas? A tomarse unos tequilazos, un champurrado, una birria, barbacoa, tamales. ¿Qué más?
I think that's it, you know?
Alright guys, so take care, cuídense mucho, and peace.
Peace out. Congrats to you, Gerardo. Get at me. Si no me mandas tu información, then we'll give somebody else a chance to win. We'll come back here on the website. We'll pick another winner, but get at me. I'm going to give you a chance till Tuesday, okay? Next giveaway. Ahí la vemos. Manito de Logan. No, Logan. Logan. Mira. Papá.
Y...
Boom.